Follow po kayo sa kanilang Twitter channel, Telegram, YouTube channel. Makakaroon po kayo ng unlimited $1 po dyan. Hello guys, meron nga po pala akong 1,000 Gcash giveaway pag na-reach po natin yung ating pong 5,000 subscriber. At para po makasali kayo, mag-subscribe lamang po kayo sa ating pong YouTube channel at pakiclick na rin po yung notification bell para po makasali ka na. Hello guys at welcome back po again sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video nga ay gusto ko lang share sa inyo itong bagong application na si Koke So dito guys, ang gagawin mo lang is magre-register. So lagyan mo lamang po yung email, login password, security password, and after that guys, click mo na po itong register. So ayun nga guys, pagka-login nga po natin ay mayroon tayo kagad makikita ang ganito So dito guys ay isang investment platform nga pala ito na kailangan talaga natin mag-take ng risk before po tayo kumita. Okay, so dito guys is meron nga po pala silang mga 6 level deposit rebate dito. So sa bronze guys, ayan, ito po yung mga pwede natin makuha. Level 1, 10%, ayan, 2, 5%, and then yung 6 is 1%. Okay, so meron din tayong silver tire, ayan. So ganun din guys yung level po nila. Okay, so syempre mas malaki po yung mga silver, gold, and meron tayong 3 level investment cashback. Ayan, and then meron tayong diamond tire, and then 3 level investment cashback. Okay, so ayun guys, and then next lang natin, at dito naman po natin makikita yung mga daily team deposit bonus. Okay, so ayan guys, and $300 makukuha tayo dyan ng 3 USDT So ayan guys, and next lang natin ulit. Ayan, so dito natin guys makikita yung mga single deposit rewards. Okay, so basahin nyo na lang siya guys at pag-aralan nyo po muna. Okay, so ayan guys, at ito na nga po guys yung pinaka homepage or dashboard ng ating pong application. Ayan, so ito guys yung pinaka wallet natin. Ayan, meron tayong investment wallet, ayan, brokerage wallet, current investment, and then total income. Okay, so dito guys, ito po yung kanila pong mga asset value. Ayan, update early. So every hour guys is kumikita po tayo rito once na nag-deposit or nag-invest po tayo guys and every 24 hours is pwede natin yan ma-withdraw. Okay, so ito guys yung kanilang strategic holdings. So invest now, and mamimili lang po kayo ng mga favorable investment nyo po rito. Okay, 24 hours guys yung $10 minimum investment so meron tayo dyan 49% 7-day annualized return. Okay, so meron din tayong 72 hours, ayan, and then $21 naman po yung investment po nya so ayan guys, and 56% po yan. Okay, so kung mas malaki guys, mas malaki po yung percentage po na babalik po sa inyo Ayan, so like for example itong beta neutral risk arbitrage, $51 po yung minimum nya, and then $71.24% naman po yung kanyang annualized return. Okay, so ayan, patas ng patas yan guys, $600, 78% naman po yan. Ayan, and then 3,000, meron din tayong 10,000, at patas ng patas po yan so 50,000, ayan, 100,000, ayan, at napakarami pa pong iba hanggang 300,000 yan guys so kung gusto mo mag-try guys dito is kailangan lang natin dito guys is mag-deposit. Okay, so ayan guys, and balik tayo sa home. Ayan, and then guys click lang natin tong recharge. So dito guys meron po silang recharge type na BIP20 USDT, BNB, TRC20 USDT, and TRX. Okay, and like for example sa TRC20, ayan, and copy mo lang po yung address na to guys at dito po tayo magre-recharge. Okay, so ito po yung kanilang warm reminder and TRC20 po yung gagamitin natin. And then guys, after that is punta po tayo sa ating pong Binance account. Ayan, and then click lang natin tong withdraw. Ayan, so USDT, and then click lang natin tong send via crypto network. Ayan, then paste lang natin guys yung kinapin natin address kanina. And then lagay natin dito is Tron TRC20, and then minimum po is at $10. Okay, like for example 11. Ayan, so marireceive natin is $10. Okay, so kung gusto nyo walang fee guys, sa BIP20 po kayong mag-try. And after that guys, click mo na po itong withdraw. Okay? So ganun lang guys, kasimple mag-recharge at lagi ko nga lang pong sinasabi ano, sa pag-invest is always your and for risk taker only. Invest what you can afford to lose. Okay? And after that guys, pwede na po kayo mag-start no, and every hour is kikita po kayo rito. Okay? So eto na guys, yung atin pong na-invest na $10 no. So mag-aantay na lang po tayo ng atin pong earnings. Okay? So ngayon naman guys, punta po tayo sa kanilang withdrawal. And dito po no, pwede po tayong gumamit ng BIP20 USDT and TRC20 ano. So sa pag-withdraw guys no, is meron tayong minimum withdraw is $1. Okay? So maximum withdrawal po is 100,000. Okay? So ilagay mo lang dito guys, kapag meron ka ng balance, ilagay mo lang dito is yung wallet address mo and then contact info, withdrawal amount, ayan, like for example $1. And then click mo lamang po dito sa security password at ilagay mo lamang po yung password mo. And after that guys, click mo na itong confirm. So ganun lang guys kasimple mag-withdraw no. At magantay na lamang po kayo once na nakapag-withdraw na po kayo. Okay? So other way guys, para kumita yung pag-invite, so click natin tong 3 line dito. And then click natin tong referral. Ayan, so dito guys is meron tayong mga level commission dito. So meron tayo ritong level 1 10%, level 2 5%, 3 4%, 4 3%, 5 2%, level 6 is 1%. Okay? So ayan guys is kung gusto mo na mag-invite, click mo lang tong copy. Ayan, so share mo lang to guys sa inyong mga social media account like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Telegram. At dito natin guys makikita yung mga ma-earn natin galing po sa mga na-invite po natin. Okay? So mag-invite na kayo guys para po kumita rin po kayo. And dito nga pala guys is hindi ko po kayo hinihikayat na mag-invest dahil gumagawa lang po ako ng review. Okay? So ito guys yung atin pong transfer. So pwede natin i-transfer guys yung atin pong brokerage wallet into invest wallet. Okay? So yun guys no, and then meron tayong details dito. Ayan, so ito yung kanilang details no. So ito po yung system increase natin no. Okay, so yan po yung atin pong na-invest. Okay, so yun guys no, at kung meron naman po kayong mga katanungan, pwede po kayong kumontak sa kanilang customer service. Okay, so yun guys no, and then ito po yung kanilang task center. Ayan, sign in everyday. Ayan, check-in ka lang is makaka-earn po kayo ng 0.05 USDT. Okay? So, ayan guys, no, daily long-term benefits, ayan po siya. At dito natin yan makikita guys, no. Ayan, mag-follow po kayo sa kanilang Twitter channel, Telegram, YouTube channel. Makaka-earn po kayo ng unlimited $1 po dyan. Okay? So, ito yung kanilang real-time codes. Ayan, at napakarami po yan guys. Okay, so ayan guys no, at hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video. And kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod na video na ilalabas ko. And I hope na meron po kayong natutunan. And thank you for watching guys. Ingat po kayo and God bless you po.